This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook russet potatoes. First, select firm potatoes free from sprouts or green spots. Rinse each potato meticulously under cool running water, making sure to scrub away any lingering dirt with a brush. Completely dry them afterwards. This step is crucial for achieving an even cook, whether you are roasting, mashing, or frying. Proper preparation sets the stage for delicious results. For perfectly roasted russet potatoes, begin by cutting them into uniform 1-inch pieces to ensure even cooking throughout. Next, toss these potato pieces with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, along with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, turning them halfway through. They will be tender on the inside and beautifully crispy on the outside. Creating creamy mashed russet potatoes is delightfully simple. Start by peeling your potatoes and cutting them into 2-inch chunks. This size helps them cook more quickly and evenly. Place them in a pot of cold, salted water, then bring it to a boil and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until they are perfectly fork tender. Drain the water thoroughly, then mash them with 1/4 cup of warm milk and 2 tablespoons of butter, seasoning with salt and pepper to taste for a rich, smooth texture. To achieve incredibly crispy fried russet wedges, first cut your potatoes into uniform 1/2-inch thick wedges. Then, soak them in cold water for 30 minutes. This crucial step removes excess starch, which helps them become extra crispy. After soaking, pat them absolutely dry with paper towels. Fry the wedges in 1 inch of hot oil, heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 7 minutes, until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are deliciously crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.